This is what happens with Chester when I bring down toys that have been put up for months. And I bring them back down, and he pulls them all out of that little cardboard box over there on top of the hangers. He doesn't even care the hangers are there, which are for a craft project, by the way. Look at him. He's got his paw stuck in the hanger. He's just way too cute. I'm trying to put my village up on my TV. Had to clean it off, and there he is playing. It's all the toys that I had put up there. Look at it. What is that? Is that your long-lost cat, Mouse? This is a 13-year-old cat playing like a kitten. Actually, no, he's a 15-year-old cat playing with a... Oops, sorry, Chester, didn't mean to scare you. 15-year-old cat playing with cat toys. Sorry, our place is a little mess. I was doing a craft project with coat hangers. Haven't finished the project. Hi, Sonny. Chester, I love you. You're so cute. Cleaning off the cat tree, making room for my village. Well, there's little Sonny going, what's going on? Oh, that's your mouse. Okay, you killed it. You done? Okay.